Hi, I'm Ivan Zoot. I am Clipper Guy, and I want to take a moment to introduce you to an exciting new item just added to the ClipperGuy.com store. This is Barber Up Green Sticks Razor Nick Remedy. I love this product because you need it. I love this product because it's good. I love this product because it is 100% sanitary, consistent with my beliefs in the importance of infection control and sanitation. Looks like a book of matches, and when you open it up on the inside, there's 22 rows of these little matches of styptic for razor nicks. A great item for use in the barber shop because nicks happen, and a great item for resale for your customers to take home for use at home because nicks happen. There's 20 of these sticks. You tear them off like a book of matches, hold them under the faucet to get them wet, touch it to a razor nick, instantly stops the bleeding, and you throw it in the garbage can. It's available online at ClipperGuy.com, either a 3-pack, you get 3 of the books of matches just like that, or it's available in a retail display box tray case just like that containing 30. Put it right on your front desk, take one out to use at your station, 29 more to sell to your customers. ClipperGuy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.